Go.
The turkey is a funny bird. His head goes wobble, wobble, and all it knows is this one word, and that is gobble, gobble, gobble.
Good job. Now can you sing I'm glad I'm not a turkey? Go.
I'm glad I'm not a turkey, a turkey, a turkey. I'm glad I'm not a turkey on Thanksgiving Day. They'll stuff you and bake you, and then they will taste you. I'm glad I'm not a turkey on Thanksgiving Day.
Good job. Do you have any other ones you want to do? Was there one about eating a pizza instead of a turkey? How's that go?
Turkey, turkey, look at you. Please be careful what you do. Go and hide in the woods, and we'll eat pizza just like we should.
Good job.
Mm.